Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the channel of the specialist, Astro Specialist. Alright, thank you guys for coming back and thank you guys for going into my channel. This is the reading for you for today. Ito po ang inyong reading for today for the Sunday. So happy Sunday again to everyone. Sana po lahat kayo are okay. Lahat po kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Very safe po ang lahat. Una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking pong channel. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's see what is the universe is going to tell you. Marami pong ulit salamat sa inyong pagsuporta. Oh, this card want to come out. The Four of Swords. Someone is hurt. Merong isang taong nasasaktan. Alright. Bakit kaya nasasaktan? Dahil ba nakatali sa nakaraan? Hindi makamove on? Alright. So, marami pong salamat ulit sa lahat. Thank you. So, let's see. So, may taong nasasaktan. Merong 8 of Cups. Meron kang 8 of Cups dito. Alright. Nasaktan, umalis, nagbabalik, nagpaparamdam, pero hindi siya makamove on, dahil nakatali pa rin siya in the past. Gusto ka nitong i-approach pero nagdadalawang isip siya. Pinagdududahan niya kung itutuloy ba niya ang pakikipag-usap niya sa'yo. The Wheel of Fortune. So makikipag-usap siya, mag-uusap kayo ulit. Alam nyo, itong first row na to, alam mo ang sinasabi rito guys, is merong sigurong person in the past or some of you nakatali pa sa nakaraan, okay? And then, mas pinili nyo na lang na iwanan yung sitwasyon or yung relationship nyo, okay? Then, yung person mo siguro or ikaw, you're trying your best to fix everything. Pero nagdududa ka na baka maayos na ulit to or baka pinagdududahan mo yung situation ng person mo or ikaw na rin, pinagdududahan mo na rin yung sarili mo na kung ikaw ba ay babalik, meron ka pa bang babalikan? Babalik pa ba siya? Kung ako ba ang gagawa ng move, kakausapin niya pa ba ako ulit? Alright? Mangyayari. There will be a chance na mag-uusap kayo. Pero not now. Hindi pa sa ngayon. Kasi you have the Wheel of Fortune here. Parang the Wheel of Fortune here is parang mag-stick ka muna dun sa decision mo na parang bigyan nyo ng time yung sarili nyo na makapag-isip, i-evaluate yung mga nararamdaman nyo. Then when you are ready to talk to each other, pwede nyo ulit maayos ang lahat. Okay? So that is the first move. Next in line. Okay. At the present moment, you have the Two of Wands. The Justice card. Oh, the Six of Cups. Page of Wands. Okay. And the last one was the Lover's card. Oh my God. Okay, siguro alam nyo, some of you dito sa situation na to. Alam mo kasi, yung Pisces kasi ngayon, magkakaroon ng full moon in Pisces. So, some of you are already starting to feel this feeling na parang this is the time to tell to your love na sa isang tao na sabihin mo na dapat yung dapat mong sabihin sa kanya. This is the time for you to reach out. Kung nagkagalit kayo ng jowa mo or ng friend mo or kung sino man na meron kang conflict, this is the time for you to reach out. You will receive forgiveness or someone will come to you to ask for your forgiveness because they know na nasaktan ka nila. Okay? Then, once you forgive or they forgive you, you will be back again. Together forever. Together again. Parang, dream about us together again. And everywhere I go. Oh my God, kinikilig ako rito sa itong reading na to. Tapos alam mo, umaasa ka na parang dapat dito sa relationship mo, parang dapat pareho palagi kayong masaya, okay? Masaya palagi. Pero syempre, hindi naman lahat ng relationship perfect, di ba? So, merong kalungkutan. But the good thing for this one is yung bagay na hindi nyo pinagkakasunduan or hindi, meron kayong mga bagay na hindi kayo nagkasundo, maaayos nyo siya. Maaayos nyo siya because you have the lover's card here. Means you really like, kung ano man yung pagkakamali ng isa't isa, alam mo na meron siya talagang ugaling ganyan, hindi siya perfect, you will accept it. Tatanggapin mo ng buong loob ang kanyang parang Beauty and the Beast. Tatanggapin mo ng buong kalooban ang kanyang mga pagkukulang, pagkakamali. Magkakapatawaran. Wow, bakit ang reading ko ngayon puro pagkakatawaran, pagkakaunawaan. Okay? So, wow, this is nice. Next. Six of Wands. I'm ready. The Hermit card. Okay. Wow, Hermit card. Oh, the Ten of Coins. Ten of Wands. Wow, Ten of Coins, Ten of Wands. Wow, the Queen of Swords. Alright, alam mo, ito feeling ko para sa inyo to eh. Some of you para sa inyo tong reading na to. Alam mo, itong reading na to, ito lang masasabi ko dyan. This is what I feel and this is what my intuition said. Okay? Now, alam mo, in this time that if you are doubting, para kung nagdududa ka sa sarili mo, to push your dream, kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin para i-push mo yung dream mo, alam mo, prepared ka na gawin yun Kasi you have the Hermit card here. Means, you have all the wisdom, you have all the experience, you can easily apply, maia-apply mo na siya sa iyong pang-araw-araw na buhay. Okay? And then, by the way, the Ten of Coins here is guiding you and the Ten of Wands here is guiding you na parang lahat ng effort mo, lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa sarili mo na to improve yourself, okay, to attract, para maka-attract ka, maging successful ka, this is going to happen because alam mo, itong Queen of Swords na to, although medyo bad, bidang kontrabida to minsan, because you are the bidang kontrabida, yes, sometimes you have some attitude na talagang, bakit ko kailangan parang sometimes bakit ko kailangan mag-effort sa isang tao kung hindi naman niya ako mahal? No. Minsan kasi alam mo yung the universe is telling to you, or right, your destiny is telling to you na dapat i-try mo rin yung path na to. Okay, na i-try mo rin yung path na to for you to expand your ability, to expand your knowledge. Some of you siguro, mostly some of you are already starting to learn na kailangan gawin ko itong mga bagay na to, kailangan meron akong gawin na mga bagay na mas may matututunan ako, mas magi-improve sa antas ng pamumuhay ko, may status in life, 'di ba? If you want money, you need to work on it. If you want new business, ayan, alam ko kung paano gawin tong business to, sige, gagawin ko tong business na to. This is what I will do. This is what I will be going to start. Kasi handa ka na. And you are equipped. You are equipped with knowledge and hasa ka na ng panahon with regard sa iyong mga experience sa naranasan mo in the past. And then the good thing for this one is the Ten of Wands is telling to you that this is the time for you to grow. This is the time for you to expand your ability, your knowledge, because this will be beneficial to you in the near future. Okay? And you will become the Queen of Swords here. You will be unstoppable. Oh, I'm unstoppable. I'm a force. You will be unstoppable here. With regards to career, money, finance, because you know what you need to do. Some of you will going to start a business. Some of you will going to make more efforts sa kanilang knowledge. If you have the skill of cooking, if you have the skill of course, blogging or whatever it is, if you have the skill of any skill na ma-enhance mo, na meron ka talaga natural with you, natural na sa iyo, na magaling ka magluto, magaling kang manahe, magaling kang whatever kinds, gagawin mo siyang parang paraan, gagawin mo siyang pintuan para sa mga opportunity, para magkaroon ka ng pera. Okay? At syempre, Pag ginawa mo yung opportunity na yun para magkaroon ka ng pera, ano ang susunod? Pag magkakapera ka, so magkakaroon ka ng negosyo. And then of course, money again will follow. And you are very strong is enough. Hindi ka mabilis hindi ka mabilis na panghinaan loob. Hindi ka panghihinaan ng loob rito because you know to yourself na kaya mo. Okay? Ganda. Ganda. Maganda siya. Okay, the next advice. Ang ganda naman. Boy, the baraha is so maganda. The cards are so nice. And I think the energy ng mga taong nanonood dito ngayon ng video na to, for sure, talagang they are all positive. Maganda ang, your point of view in life is different. Wow, I really love you. See, you have the advice. This is the future. Guys, I'm telling you, this is your future. The King of Cups. Wow. You have the Dragon. Money. This is money in the near future. Wow. Offers. See? Nakita nyo? So, talagang pag nagtyaga ka, the King of Wands, all kings, oh my God. The Fool card. You're waiting for something but it will be going to happen. See, the Seven of Wands. Wow. Nakita nyo, guys, ang ganda ng ano na to. Nakita nyo, mga mahal kong mga subscriber, guys, nakita nyo, you have the King of Cups. See? This is your money. This is you. This will be you. This will be you. You will be you will be unstoppable. Offers is going to come in. See, King of Wands. Whatever it takes, you will take it. You will take the risk, even though kahit sa business yan. Yeah, nagantay ka noon, pero now you are ready this time. Kung ano yung inaantay mo, darating. Dahil nag-e-effort ka. You are not stopping. Hindi ka tumitigil. Hindi ka tumitigil sa pagtatrabaho, hindi ka tumitigil sa naumasa na ito merong magandang mangyayari sa akin because the universe is guiding you na yes, you are parang it tells you na parang yes, we know na kaya mo na, we know you can do it. So this is the gift for you. Now this is the gift for you. Now this is all yours. This is now it will depends on you kung paano mo siya i-manage, okay? Offer is coming to you few weeks from now. All right? Love is also coming to you is few weeks from now. Okay? And you know what? You will be surprised. Some of you will be surprised because of your effort. Nagre-review ka. Syempre, pag nag-review ka, you will gain knowledge. Pag nag-board exam ka, makakapasa ka. Pag nagtatrabaho ka, all your efforts will be it's not be measured but it will be acknowledged. Ma-acknowledge yan ng mga taong nasa paligid mo, sa trabaho mo, makikita nila na igagalang ka na ikaw dahil sa galing mo sa pagtatrabaho, maaasahan ka, dependable ka, then okay, we will promote you. We will promote you. Okay? Then sa pagmamahal, with regards sa pagmamahal, you have the King of Wands here. You have the King of Wands here. Pagdating sa pagmamahal, your person, the situation tells you, I am just here for you. We support you. Kuwang-kuwa mo ang suporta ng mga tunay mong kaibigan, mga tunay na nagmamahal sa iyo. Offer, unexpected offer is coming in. Unexpected is coming in. Blessing in disguise na hindi mo mga inaasahan. Because you are the King of Cups. You are the King of Cups because you are blessed. You are blessed, and the universe is telling to you na nakikita namin that you are really making for your life. You are fighting for your life. You are fighting your life to improve. So what we will do for you, we will give you a gift. We will give you a blessing. Okay? And then mabilis lang, magaan lang sa iyo lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Hindi mo pinagdududahan, hindi mabigat sa loob mo ang mga bagay na ginagawa mo because we know that you are passionate at it. May passion ka sa mga bagay na gusto mo at ginagawa mo. And you need to claim it. That is for you. All right? So anyway guys, so this is your reading. Thank you guys for coming and salamat po ulit sa panonood at pakikinig. And then I would like to tell you na super po na thank you sa lahat ng mga super po talaga thank you sa lahat ng mga bagay na pagsuporta niyo sa akin. Anyway, don't forget to click and subscribe. Alright? Thank you and happy Sunday to everyone. Bye!